Hello friends, welcome to LG Study Time. Today we will learn use of may in English with easy examples for daily spoken English. May is a formal auxiliary verb used to express permission, possibility and wish in formal or polite English. Permission. May is used to ask or give permission in a polite or formal way. Structure for asking permission: may plus subject plus base form of the verb. Structure for giving permission: subject plus may plus base form of the verb. Let's look at some example. May I sit here? ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ବସିପାରିବି କି? May I use your phone? ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫୋନ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରିବି କି? May I ask a questions? ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରି ପାରିବି କି? May I go out for a minute? ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ମିନିଟ୍ ପାଇଁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବି କି? You may sit here. ଆପଣ ଏଠାରେ ବସିପାରନ୍ତି. You may start your work. ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କାମ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିପାରନ୍ତି. You may use my pen. ଆପଣ ମୋର କଲମ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିପାରନ୍ତି. Next, possibility. May is used to show that something is possible but not certain. Certain means ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ. Not certain ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ. It means possible, possibility. The structure is subject plus may plus base form of the verb. Let's look at some example. She may come late. ସେ ଡେରିରେ ଆସିପାରେ. They may win the match. ସେମାନେ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଜିତିପାରନ୍ତି. She may not attend the class today. ସେ ଆଜି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଯୋଗ ଦେଇ ନପାରେ. The exam may be postponed. ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପଛେଇ ଦିଆଯାଇପାରେ. The bus may arrive late. ବସ୍ ଡେରିରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିପାରେ. The weather may change suddenly. ପାଗ ହଠାତ୍ ବଦଳିପାରେ. Next, wish. May is used to express good wishes, hopes or prayers. Let's look at some example. May you stay healthy and happy. ଆପଣ ସୁସ୍ଥ ଓ ସୁଖୀ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ. May you have a bright future. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ ଉଜ୍ଜ୍ୱଳ ହେଉ. May you always stay positive. ଆପଣ ସଦା ସକାରାତ୍ମକ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ. May your day be full of success. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦିନ ସଫଳତାରେ ଭରିଯାଉ. May success follow you always. ସଫଳତା ସବୁବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହ ରହୁ. May you shine in your career. ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ୟାରିୟରରେ ଆଲୋକିତ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ. That is all for today. I hope you all understood today's class. If you liked the class, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.